This video is going to cover using the marking block in Moodle. The marking block is a handy tool that you can use to know which students have submitted essay assignments which need to be graded. So let's jump right over to the Moodle site. Just going to click Moodle off of my toolbar, and then I'm going to log in with my advisor number. I'm going to say I am advisor 1 for today. Okay, so when you log in, right on your home page, you will see that you now have a block called marking right here. And what it's going to show you is the total things to mark and then the courses for which essay assignment has been submitted. Now, when you look at this is going to not just be your assignments, but any assignments that have been submitted. But if you're an elementary advisor and you see high school courses, you don't even need to look at those. And vice versa, if you're a high school advisor, you don't need to look at these elementary courses. So what you're going to do is let's just look at this English 7th grade English here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus sign, and this shows you that there are 2 tests that have been taken that have essay assignments in them. And you're just going to keep clicking on that plus sign. This is just a question number until you see a student's name. Once you see a student's name, then you can click on that student's name and it's going to pop up a window for you to do the marking. Now, the downfall of this is it's not going to show you the feedback. But a lot of these assignments may have enough information that you don't necessarily need to see the feedback. In this situation, this is just asking the student to enter the verse in his pace. So, you can look that up yourself, make sure it's correct, and then you can just put a 4. That's worth 4 points. So if he gets all the points, or if he didn't put the reference, because it did ask him to, be sure include the reference, then maybe you give him only 3 points. You click save. I'm going to go ahead and give this student 3 points so I can demonstrate here. You click save, and then it will actually go off, disappear from your marking block. No longer needs to be marked. And then you can go on and look at the next one. If it's not your student that shows up, then don't do anything. Just close it up and don't do anything. Let's look at English 3. And the quiz question is going to show up here, and again, you just have to keep clicking the plus sign until you see a student's name. In this case, this is a demo student, so probably nothing really entered. Well, actually it is. She entered the question, you put the grade in, you click save. If you just want to, you can also just use this to let you know which courses have things that need to be graded, and then you can go directly to the course and go in through the grading procedure. That way you'll get to see the feedback. So let's just say we wanted to grade this English. Let's see what intro to comp is. What we've got submitted here. This is an actual student. No, this is my demo student still. But let's just say we want to go over and look at the course itself so that we can see the feedback. What you would do then is you would just navigate to the course. Okay, navigate to the course. This is a Power Basics course, Intro to Comp. Close up my navigation so that I can just quickly see my grades. And here I can click on the student's grades. Click on the quiz. Now I know there's something there that needs to be graded because I saw it on my marking block. And then I can use my scroll bar, which is way down here, to scroll over. Oh no, that's inconvenient. Hopefully we can get that fixed. To find my items that require grading. Almost there. They're all at the end. They're often at the end. It requires grading, and then you can click on that, and that's going to open up your pop-up for grading as well. But in this situation, if the feedback's been put in, you should be able to see the feedback. Okay, sorry, going back to that question number. When we click on the pop-up, you can see that here's the question and here's the answer. Oops, I'm showing you the wrong screen. Sorry about that. So here's the answer that the student entered. It asked them to put clear in if it was written clearly, if the sentence was written clearly, or to rewrite it if it wasn't. So what you see below here, this is the feedback. This is the correct answer, and they put in that it was clear when they really should have rewritten it. So what you're going to do is, when you grade it, you can maybe copy that out and put it in there as the correct answer. And then points they're going to get for that is 0 because it was incorrect. And then you save it. So that's what the feedback will do for you. And we'll talk about that more later, but today I really wanted just to show you the marking block. So again, that's going to just be on your home page, the second or third item over to the right. And you'll see that change every day, hopefully, as students take the reports. That's all for now. See you later. Bye-bye.